Choosing the right accounting software is one of the most critical decisions a business owner will make. It's not just about tracking numbers. It's about managing cash flow, understanding profitability, simplifying tax preparation, and making informed strategic decisions. Two giants often dominate the conversation in the accounting software world: Sage and QuickBooks. As an accounting software expert, I can tell you there's no single better option. The ideal choice depends entirely on your specific business needs, size, industry, and future growth plans. Let's delve into what each offers, their strengths, and who they best serve, helping you make an educated decision. Understanding the landscape: Sage versus QuickBooks core offerings. Both Sage and QuickBooks are comprehensive accounting solutions that aim to simplify financial management. However, they approach this goal from slightly different perspectives and cater to distinct market segments. QuickBooks. Developed by Intuit, QuickBooks is renowned for its user-friendliness and accessibility. It's often the first accounting software many small business owners encounter, and for good reason. QuickBooks offers a range of products, most notably QuickBooks Online, QBO, a cloud-based solution ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, and freelancers. It offers various subscription tiers: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, Advanced, with increasing features. QuickBooks Desktop, a traditional installed software preferred by some businesses that value local data storage, though it also offers cloud hosting options. This comes in different versions like Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. Sage. A global software company, Sage offers a broader and often deeper suite of financial management products. Unlike QuickBooks, which primarily focuses on accounting, Sage extends into other business management areas like ERP, enterprise resource planning, HR, and payroll. Sage's product portfolio is more diverse, including Sage Business Cloud Accounting, their cloud-based offering, comparable to QuickBooks Online, targeting small businesses. Sage 50 Cloud, formerly Sage 50/Peachtree, a hybrid desktop with cloud features solution popular in many regions, designed for small to medium-sized businesses that might need more robust local functionality. Sage Intacct, a powerful, cloud-native solution geared towards larger SMBs, medium-sized enterprises, and companies with more complex financial needs, multi-entity operations, or significant reporting requirements. Sage X3, Sage 100, Sage 300. These are higher-end ERP solutions for larger, more complex organizations, often with industry-specific modules. Key differentiating factors. To truly understand which might be better for your business, let's compare them across essential criteria. 1. Ease of use and learning curve. QuickBooks, generally considered more intuitive and easier to learn for those without extensive accounting backgrounds. Its interface is clean, and the workflow is straightforward, making it a favorite for startups, sole traders, and small businesses whose owners handle their own bookkeeping. Sage. The learning curve for Sage products can vary significantly. Sage Business Cloud Accounting is quite user-friendly, similar to QuickBooks Online. However, more advanced Sage products like Sage 50 Cloud and especially Sage Intacct or Sage X3 have a steeper learning curve. They offer much deeper functionality but require more accounting knowledge and potentially professional setup. 2. Features and functionality. QuickBooks offers a strong set of core accounting features essential for most small businesses: invoicing and sales management, expense tracking with receipt capture, bank reconciliation and automatic bank feeds, basic financial reporting, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, payroll often as an add-on, inventory management in higher tiers like Plus/Advanced, time tracking, project profitability tracking. Sage provides a broader and often more specialized set of features, particularly as you move up its product line. Advanced inventory management, more robust tracking, costing, and warehousing capabilities. Job costing and project tracking, deeper insights into project profitability for service and construction industries. Multi-currency and multi-entity management, essential for businesses operating across multiple countries or with several legal entities. Industry-specific solutions. Sage has tailored versions or modules for manufacturing, wholesale distribution, construction, nonprofits, healthcare, and more. Advanced reporting and business intelligence. Greater customization and analytical depth in financial reporting. Robust payroll and HR. Integrated solutions, especially with products like Sage 300 People. Budgeting and forecasting, more sophisticated tools for financial planning. 3. Scalability. QuickBooks. Highly scalable for small to medium-sized businesses. QuickBooks Online Advanced can handle a good volume of transactions and users. However, for large enterprises with highly complex operations, multiple global entities, or very specific industry needs, QuickBooks might start to show limitations. Sage offers superior scalability for growing and larger businesses. Sage's tiered product range means you can potentially migrate within the Sage ecosystem, e.g., from Sage Business Cloud Accounting to Sage 50 Cloud, then to Sage Intacct or X3, as your business grows and its needs become more complex. This allows for a smoother transition as you require more advanced ERP capabilities. 4. Integrations. QuickBooks boasts a massive ecosystem of third-party app integrations. Due to its popularity with SMBs, many business tools, e.g., CRM, e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, are designed to integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks. Sage also offers a wide range of integrations, particularly for its cloud-based products. However, the sheer volume of integrations might be slightly less than QuickBooks depending on the specific Sage product. Its integrations often focus on deeper, more specialized connections relevant to its target industries. 5. Pricing. QuickBooks generally has a lower entry-level price point, making it very attractive for startups and microbusinesses. Pricing tiers are clear and typically based on features and number of users. Sage pricing can start comparably for its basic cloud accounting, but its more advanced solutions are significantly more expensive, reflecting their deeper functionality and target market. Implementation costs for higher-end Sage products can also be substantial, as they often require professional setup and customization. 6. Support and community. QuickBooks has a vast online community, extensive knowledge bases, and readily available support, partly due to its large user base. Sage also offers strong customer support and training resources, often with dedicated support for its more enterprise-level clients.